Do you struggle with getting organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're continuing our mini motivation series here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And today we are on episode 13 in our mini motivations with Jodi series. Today's video is how anchoring a space can conquer clutter. So let me ask you, has this ever happened to you? You set something down just for a second, and suddenly that spot has become a magnet for all kinds of random clutter. A surface area becomes a dumping ground for random objects if they weren't put away in their homes, their designated spots. And before long, the whole room can feel visually noisy and completely overwhelming. So, how we change this, if you tend to have piles of clutter accumulating across multiple surface areas, you can try a strategy called anchoring a space. What does that mean? Well, you're going to use shallow boxes or trays, and these types of containers create a visual boundary for loose items while still keeping them easy to see and access. A deep bin or complicated system can become out of sight, out of mind, or just one big dumping ground. But an open, shallow container, it acts like a parking spot for things that your brain wants to set down quickly. However, at the same time, they're sending a subliminal message that these contained items are related and they have a purpose. So in this photo, you can see an open, shallow, dark brown box on top of a lighter brown dresser. And inside this shallow box are different trinkets and knickknacks. So it says that these are related items and they're allowed to be on top of the dresser, but it doesn't mean that you can put random stuff there. Here are some more examples of how anchoring a space can help. You can have an open tray near the front door to put your keys and your sunglasses. You can have a shallow basket on the kitchen counter for paperwork or chargers. You can have a bedside catch-all like in the photo here for medications, headphones, cords. When you take out your loose change or take off your watch at the end of the night. A basket at the bottom of the stairs for things that belong upstairs. So, anchoring a space tells like minded items this is where you live. But more importantly, it tells potential clutter you don't belong here. So, a simple shallow box on the counter may seem small, but sometimes the smallest systems create the biggest relief. I hope this video has helped you with a new strategy so that you can conquer your clutter and get organized. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.